Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic because it is a fantastic. Oh, it already feels nice without even turning it on. It's a fantastic cordless hand massager. So this can work really good for people that are working all day with their computers, people that are working all day with their hands as well, gamers of course as well. But also it can work really good for the elderly people. I think this can be a really good one for the elderly people or people that are starting kind of like having some issues with their hands or something like that. It could work really, really good. It comes with the instruction manual over here, but you're not gonna need it. Trust me, this is super easy to use, and a really nice bag over here in case that you want to take it with you on the go, like on vacations or a trip or to your dad and your parents' house or something like that. And of course, it's cordless, but you can charge it right here via the USB-C port over here. So that's actually really nice. I do like that it comes with rubber pads on the bottom, so whenever you put it kind of like in a surface, it's not gonna move, which I think it's really good. And I'm gonna show it to you on a close-up right now, but before that, it comes with the on and off button. It also comes with 3 modes. It also comes with 3 intensity modes and 2 heating modes. This one comes with heat as well. Let's take a closer look. So while I'm turning it on right now, which is gonna be super easy, so now it's on, and you can see this surface over here is quite soft, and then you just put the hand. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is put my hand over there. So I'm actually gonna turn it off. Now it's off, so I can put my hand in it. That's perfect. Turn it on one more time and it start working right away. So the first thing is gonna be the heat. The heat comes with 2 levels. That's the more that's gonna be the hotter one. And then you have the intensity. So that is number 1, number 2, and number 3. Green is the softest one, as well as blue is the mid one, and red is gonna be the more intensity one, I wanna say. So it works really good. Let me see if I can show it to you on a closer look over here. So take a look at how it presses. I'm actually gonna turn this to number 2. So you can see better how it works on kind of like applying pressure and then contracting the hand a little bit and massaging the hand this way. It works really good, I have to say. And now it's off. It is really comfy, super soft, and of course it recharges via the USB-C, which I think it is fantastic. And the heating pad works perfectly. This could be a really nice gift for the elderly people, or if you're having some hand issues, this also could be really good for you.